Away we go. Up to the end of the road. The weather condition is 1 degree C. Roads are icy. I might have some whining in the back. That's the dog in his cage in the back of the car. Over towards the left, all good. Shiny road surface, nobody behind. Bends round to the right, hazard lines and traffic islands. Keeping left of the traffic islands. Pedestrians on the left hand side, no major concerns from now. Got the vehicle on the turn, bends round to the right, happy with that vehicle. Continues round towards the right, pedestrians on the left hand side, oncoming vehicles. We're going to be using the right hand lane after the traffic island, so mirror check, nobody behind. Mainly indication though, let the traffic on the right hand side, the taxi, know where I'm going. Give him a bit of information. Coming up to the line, I'm not going to let the taxi through, not because I don't want to be nasty, but we've got vehicles coming up on my left hand side. I've got the clear, looking down the road, bends round to the right, hazard lines. One vehicle on the turn, taking that, and that Land Rover was about to do the same thing. So just be mindful of that one, nobody behind, just taking it nice and easy. Potholes on the road, a couple of vehicles there. There's the Range Rover behind me now doing the thing. We've got a vehicle from the right. Just double check that we're all good with him there. Happy with that vehicle on the right. Continuing forward, bit of traffic on the right hand side, more than usual down this road, nobody behind. This road is riddled with potholes, got a pedestrian crossing, that's clear, and we're into a 20-mile-an-hour limit. Can't really go much more than 20 miles an hour with these potholes and of course with these speed humps. We've got parked vehicles on the right hand side, hazard lines, keeping it near side as we've got vehicles coming up towards me. Another vehicle coming up and one from the right. Pedestrian crossing, nobody waiting, mirrors. We've got one car way behind, vehicles on the right hand side. We've got this white car using quite a bit of road, so just take it easy, walk it through, vehicles behind. Watch the white car, we've got the black car coming towards us, we've got the blue on the left there, and the Ranger's just taken the junction. Mirrors over towards the offside a little bit, got the nose poking out from the blue, continuing ahead. Coming into a 30 mile an hour, but we're not going to reach 30 miles an hour. Speed up vehicle on my right hand side, pedestrian crossing. Continuing forward, pedestrians cleared, the black's moving, happy with that. Mirrors, we're going to make the indication going left now as we come round, looking down the road, and we've got a lot of, we could let a, we've got the compliance from the people on the right hand side. They've waited for us. Parked vehicles on the left hand side, pedestrians crossing, mirrors over towards the offside. So we've got some movement from vehicles coming towards me. I've got a gap there after the black car once the guy's cleared, and in fact I'm going to use this gap instead. We're going to let the car coming towards us come first, and away we go. So we've got the school, looks like late kids are going in. I'm just going to go, oh, he's giving me the room. No, he's not. I'm just going to let him go through. I'm going to go in here. And just I'm going to put the indication on because I've got a vehicle coming up behind me now. Now you stay back. And I'm just going to let everybody know that I'm coming out. And I'm going to walk it through. We've got pedestrians. We've got children. We've got a lot of parked cars manoeuvring. Anybody late? We've got a parked car coming up on the wrong side of the road as well. Look. And then using the thing, she's more interested in what's happening with the school as opposed to the road. Round we go, got vehicles parked on the roundabout. It's just general school traffic and general mums and dads parking anywhere they like. Another vehicle parked on the roundabout. We've got more vehicles parked on the left hand side. Just walking it through, nobody behind, taking it nice and easy. We've got one car oncoming. Didn't see that till quite late. Given enough space though to come through. Off we go. So we've got another car coming towards us. I'm going to take it. We're going to go behind the black car. We've got one vehicle coming out from the left. And then we've been given the lovely, thanks so much. Used a bit of road there. Not recommend it, but even so, used a bit of road. Happy from the left. We're going to let these vehicles through. Nobody behind. And we've got one vehicle reversing out into the road from the road there. Terrible position to do that in. And then we're going to be left just holding back as well. We've got one vehicle behind me. Can't really go through until this line of traffic's coming through. So again, these vehicles just do anything they like. I'm going to let these 4 vehicles through. One vehicle behind me, and off we go. Mirrors, out we go, and around the corner. Got to bend round to the right, oncoming vehicles, parked vehicle on the left hand side. Still got our vehicle behind me, just be mindful of that one. Bending round towards the right, and then looking down the road. The limit point extends out, parked vehicle on the right hand side, keeping it to the near side, and just be mindful of the vehicle behind me. We've got a van coming.